Today we are going to be looking at the brand new lava map in Melon Sandbox. So this is the volcano one. Looks very cool. I'm gonna jump in it. Oh, I'm falling. I'm gonna fall. These are skeletons. Oh wait, how am I burning? Also, I also got the brand new gray melon. Well, it's not like really brand new. Look. I also have the save. It's called tomato. Yeah, I got tomato. Ow, he died. He's dying. Oh wait, he's alive. Wait, he's invincible. Wait, I swear I did not make him invincible. Okay. You deserve to be put in here. Okay. Let me show you the gray melon. He's very cool. Let me show you. So this is my gray melon. I made yeah, this is a gray melon. Who's this guy? Wait, who's this? Oh, it's minigun melon. Oh, it's minigun melon. Yeah, this is minigun. This is gray melon. I made him invincible because he's like very rare to get. Even though if I put him in the lava, he's still alive. Well, let me show you how the lava map works. Volcano. So you literally just, the whole point of it is just you put anything, including a melon, and you can just throw them. It's like very hot. Also, then brand new April Fool's update. This is just so funny. Let me show you the April Fool's update. So this is the April Fool's melon. He's literally looking at me. Very weird. It's literally April Fool's melon. That's weird. And it's the same melon, but he's looking at me. So he deserves to die because he literally just pranked us. This is April Fool's pumpkin. Here's pumpkin. He looks like a melon, but he's a pumpkin. Next we have corn, which is kind of cooler. Not gonna lie, it looks cooler. Moving on, cactus. Where's cactus? Cactus looks like, bro, looks like a little cactus. Yeah, this is April Fool's cactus, so boom. And we have next dragon fruit. Look at this. He looks like he looks so cool. Like the design is like sick. Like it looks like he has hair. You know? Like this is his hair. I can cut his hair. Let me show you. I can cut his hair. Yeah, I'm giving him a haircut. Yeah. Low taper fade. Okay. Yeah. And let's cut his head off. Huh? And I just cut his head off. Oh my god. And in the wall. And the rest of his body. Whoop. Next we have, wait. Let me show you all of them. Let me show you all of them. I'm gonna show you all of them in literally a blink. Okay, here are all of them. Starting off with melon, then pumpkin, then corn, then apple, then cactus, then tomato, then dragon fruit, then robot, then this is coral. He's the newest character. I don't know where his eye went. I think this tiny little pixel This tiny little pixel light right here is his eye. I don't know why it's not black like this one. But yeah, these are all of the April Fool's characters. Oh my. What, huh? What just happened? Okay. Let me show you what happens when you put a mineral bomb. It's crazy. So when you put it in the lava and you wait for a few seconds, it will explode. Wait for a few seconds and 3, 2, 1. Come on. It should explode. Come on, explode. Oh, there we go. And if you put barrels, they instantly they instantly explode. Wait, I want to see what happens with the current. I've never seen. Wait, did it just break? Wait, what? Wait, what? It's broken. It's broken. Okay, now that's weird. They randomly, the April Fool characters only spawn like randomly, like very random. Wait, is it over? Wait, is April Fool's over? Wait, I think it is. Wait, over. Wait, that's sad. Well, at least I have them in my safes. Yeah, they're literally in my safes. Here's Coral. He's amazing an eye. Well, this might be his eye. Oh wait, it's back. Oh, so you stupid volcano. Okay, you guys deserve to put in the lava. Yep. You guys deserve to be put in the lava. Yep. You too. You too, pumpkin. I think you're apple. I don't know who you are. Cactus, your turn. Yep. Yeah, nobody likes. Yeah. You interrupted my speech. You too, stupid volcano. Okay. Let me show you the lava one now. I showed you the volcano, now I'm gonna show you the lava. So this is the lava, and let me show you the volcano. This is the volcano. I mean lava. This is the lava. It's just like the volcano, but it doesn't shoot like giant fireballs. Okay, there you go. Yeah, it's basically the same thing. It's like acid, but it like burns you. It's very painful. Definitely more painful than the acid, because you're literally burning to death. Holy, he fell. Bro went straight right here. That's crazy. Your turn, Tomato. Whee! Whoop. Good job. You know how to swim, barely. Yeah, this game has updated a lot. Let me show you what's new. Wait, there's no new items. Okay, that's sad. That's very sad. But hey, at least we have you, the lava map. Maps are like cool. If he just puts a finger, he'll instantly burn. That's crazy. Okay. Water pool, hills. Yeah, I also got this map. I bought it from the workshop. It's pretty cool. It's literally a hydraulic press. Let me just put a melon. It's big. Holy bro, literally got crushed. Well, not crushed enough to literally be, like a smoothie. Hurry up. I think this is the slowest hydraulic press in the world. Bro, that did almost nothing. You're useless. Why did I pay melon coins for this? You're useless. Okay, moving on. Next map. This is the default map is like just a garden. It's kind of like nothing. You just do your experiences in it. That's it, literally. No special abilities, no cool. I don't know. Just that. Let me show you my fighting. When I play Melon Sandbox, I normally just make melons fight. Oh, he's gonna hit his ending door. Okay. Your turn to die. Yeah! Bro went flying into the wall. And he exploded. They can also become Superman. Literally. Yeah! Holy. Oh, I broke his knee. I broke his knee. Oh my god, I broke his knee. Are you okay, bud? Are you okay? I don't think he's okay. What's wrong with him? Oh, bro's still flying in the air. And bro managed to land. Wow. Nice triple flip. Also, they can do backflips. Let me show you. In slow motion, it works the most. Yeah. Double, triple, quadruple backflip. Whee! Oh, bro broke his back. Well, he already died. Let's kill him even more. What's wrong with the other guy? You okay, bud? I think he's okay. He's still alive. Okay, heal. Nice. Oh no, acid. Oh no, I accidentally made it be on melon. Oh no, I put it on melon. He's gonna turn into a skeleton. Yeah, oh no. Oh no, bro's a skeleton. Hey, my buddy died. You see this bad boy? Put it into his balls. I mean, let's put it in his eyeballs. His eyeballs. Put it in his eyeballs. Eyeballs. Close it. Close your eyes. Oh yeah. How do your eyes feel? Well, you're literally sucking it. You're sucking it. You're drinking the syringe. How does that taste, buddy? How does that taste? Yeah, that sounds like it tastes very cool. Wow. Wow. Okay. What am I doing? Also, there are new vehicles. If you didn't know, there are a lot of new vehicles. This one, this one, this one, and this one. You stupid ad. Oh, bro just died. You okay? No, bro broke all of his bones. You idiot! You broke all of your 206 bones. Okay. You are supposed to die. So fight to the death. Yeah. Oh, bro broke his legs. And he broke his knees. Oh my gosh, bro is flipping. Bro's freaking out. Bro, you hit me in my mouth. My mouth is bleeding. I am gonna. Ow, you made my face red, bro. Thank you for that. Thank you for that, buddy. That was very useful, bro. That was very useful, bro. Yeah, that was insanely useful. Also, I got a new save. It's like, it's literally just a rocket engine. It's very strong rocket. It's supposed to make people fly. Literally. Let me show you. I tried it before. I made it by myself. Bro went flying. Also, if you just put one in his face, literally, and then make him freeze, and then just bro's flying. Bro's like Superman. Literally Superman. Did I accidentally just delete my rocket? I'll spun it back. Let me spun it. Hold on. Let me get a mine first. And then the rocket. How wonderful. Wait. Rocket engine. And then put it directly in his face. Bada bada boo. And boom. Guys, he's about to turn into Superman. You ready? I think so. Are you ready, Melon, to turn into Superman? Yeah, I think so. Oh, bro is literally Superman. Bro's flying. Holy shit. Oh my, who's gonna save him? Oh, his brother. Bro went flying. Oh, how about his mom? She went flying too. Oh, he went flying to the moon. How about his grandma? How about his grandfather? How about his aunt? How about his twin sisters? How about his aunt? Oh, how about his very big and old mom that and my game is very laggy. Alright, oh my god, my hand is numb in real life. Oh, baby no. Okay, I'm not gonna kill him. Of course I'm not gonna kill him. He hurt his legs. No, he hurt his legs. Oh, cute little baby. Yeah, cute little baby. Clumsy. You're so clumsy. Okay, bye. Why do I keep... Bro, am I stupid? Why did I just delete my thing again? My rocket. My rocket. My rocket. Wait, can I turn it into a jetpack? Wait. I'm gonna turn it into a little jetpack. And okay. Unfreeze. Put it like this. Get an unkillable melon from my saves. Unkillable melon. Put it on his back. Rope it. Rope. Holy. And now bro's gonna go flying. Oh no. Bro is flying. Oh my, bro's tweaking. Well. Holy. You okay? Oh my. Bro's tweaking. Let me turn it off, bro. It's freaking out. Bro, that was crazy. That was crazy. Why can't bro stand up? There you go. Are you okay, bud? Oh my gosh, bro's tweaking. Okay, let me make my unkillable melon fight this normal melon. I'm gonna kill you even though you're invincible. Bro, you're gonna kill yourself from punching me. Run, 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 run. Oh, his head. Oh my gosh, his head just exploded. I actually have. I just downloaded a game. Let me show you. It's like very fun. It's called Burger Simulator. It's not like a kids like mobile game. It's actually kind of fun. Live with passion. Like, it's just so fun. Let me show you. And I think this video is literally gonna be an hour long, maybe. most of my videos. What is that black thing on that? Okay. Welcome to my restaurant. This game is called the Burger Simulator. I have 30, 29. Yeah. Take order. Wait. Why are you just? They're just standing here. Oh, it's closed. Oh. Let's start. Wait. After closing. Wait, what? Oh, I need to make burgers. Oh. I forgot. Okay. We need a lot of. We need only 2 Coke. Okay. Nice. Holy ads. Okay. Okay, now. Ready? Freddy Fazbear. Okay. Wait, I need one more. Okay. Nice. Okay, I need a burger. Ready? Boom, boom, boom. Ready? Oh, wrong. Oops. Boom, 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 boom. Ready? What? Bro, what? Okay, fine. Oh, oops. Okay, 3 Coke. Then we're done with this day. 2? Wait, I forgot. How many Coke? Okay, I think only one more. So, my hand is still numb. Okay, this day I think is done. I think we're done with this day. Keep up. Yeah, end day. Okay. And I made. Okay, wait. I made 77. I made 77.
Tired of getting bombarded?
Nice. I got more energy. I don't know what that's for. What? Oh. Purchase French fries. What? I just purchased French fries. Bro, why is there a Melon Sandbox ad? I don't want to play Melon Sandbox. I don't play my burgers.
Tired of getting bombarded with ads? Then you gotta check out the Opera browser. With integrated ad blocker, simply activate it and watch all the irritations disappear. So you can sit back and have a smoother browsing experience with no disturbances.
Wait, what?
Download the Opera browser today.
Wait. Okay, I think this is fake. It might be fake. Wait. I don't have money. I only have $48 and it costs $60. I guess I'll just. Oh wait, I forgot to open. Okay. Oh my gosh, so many trash. Alright. Okay, holy customers. How many? Why so many customers? Okay. Wait. I messed up. I messed up real bad. 50, and then 5, boom, boom. Bro. I messed up so much. I'm sorry guys, taking a while. 90 and then just, oh my gosh, I'm sorry. I keep messing up. Bro, hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Next customer. Okay, nice. This game's called Burger Simulator. If you wanna play it, yeah. Okay, and then just okay. Next. Okay, card. Nice. Alright, now time to make. Are you kidding me? Why so many ants? Why so many ants? Bro. What? Okay, wait, hold on. I gotta wait. Messed up. Okay, 4 Coke is insane. Why is it so loud? Okay, ready. I'm ready. One more burger? Never mind. Okay. Okay, I can now purchase French fries. I don't know what I will use it for. Buy potato. Ooh, potato fry. Okay. Where is potato fryer? Yeah, bro. I am broke. I am broke. Okay? I'm broke. Get off my face! Okay. Okay. Bro, this fat guy is gonna take like 1,000,000 burgers. Literally. It's gonna take 9 billion years to make him burgers. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Waiting. Oh, I need to clean? Oh, sorry. Okay, why are you guys just standing up? Sit down. Sit down. Nice lips. Bro, why are they just moving while they're standing? Oh, they're like this. Oh, I'm standing. Wait! I have this thing. Hold on. Hold up. There it is. Pizza Ready. This thing's called Pizza Ready. I have it on my it's an app. I have it. Okay. I'm not planning to buy more supplies. Yeah, I need more bread. Sorry.
Dive into the power.
Bro. Get off my face. Wait. 3 Coke. Which is a lot. Alright. Okay, let's buy some bread. Wait. Let's buy other things. If I even have enough money, I'm broke. Bro, get... Holy. Okay, I'm just gonna put this right. How much bread do you need? 3 bread. We have enough cheese? 1 cheese, I mean. 1 tomato and 3 patties. I have horrible memory. Okay, I think one cheese and 1 tomato, and I think 3 patties. 3 patties. Okay, bye. Okay, I had enough to afford it. It costed $26, and I had like 42. So yeah, that was a lot of money to me. Bro, what? I have to uninstall all of these games from the ads. This is not fair. Bro. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. And uninstall. Alright. Burger Simulator. Let's go. Alright, is the delivery here? My game is lagging hard. Oh my. My game is so laggy. Okay. There are my supplies and... Bro, what is happening? Quality. 60. Please. Okay, much better. Okay, holy, we have a lot of things. Holy. So laggy. We have tomatoes here. Wait, we need more. Paper cups? No problem. Box is empty? Put it here. Paper cups? Alright. Put. Okay, let's go get our supplies. Wait, where's my meat? Oh, it's in here. Okay. Put it. Are you kidding me? Okay, let me go get the rest of the patty. This is gonna take a while, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I put everything. They're full, and full. So we're ready to cook. Ready to cook. So, boom, 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 boom. Ready? I leveled up. Nice. Level 8. Alright, hire a cashier in front of your store. Bro, get off my face. And my hand is still numb. Where's the cashier? Where's the cashier? Here he is.
Hello.
Free hire.
Let's go.
Oh, wait. Wait. Oh, wait. Wait. Cashier. Overtime. Wait. I have him forever? Bro's giving me money. Whoa. Wait, he's actually pretty useful. Can I upgrade him? Hold on. Can I upgrade him? Transport cashier. Is he James? I think he's James. Wait, his name changed. His name changed.
Well,
bro. Okay, I have 2 burgers to make. Bro, we're already running out of items. That is rude. That is rude. Alright, ready. Okay. I guess I'm the chef. Not the cashier and the chef. The cashier is actually helping. Alright. End day. And my hand is incredibly numb. Energy charge +1 energy? Nice. Good morning, sun shining. Sun is shining. Wow, very beautiful. Oh, I'm gonna get hurt. I'm totally gonna get hit by a car. Oh, what a beautiful day. Wow, beautiful day. Ooh, what's this? Ooh. I got hit by a car. Okay, what am I doing? What is new? What's new? Cashier. Okay, I just upgraded my cashier. That's nice. Wait. Coming soon? Huh? Wait. Who's Isabella? Are you Isabella? With your big fat nose? Ugh, disgusting. Disgusting realistic faces. Alright. I think I just gotta open. Honestly. Can I? There's a cashier on the counter. The stuff is working. Bro, there's a timer? Okay. Hold on. Let me throw this in the trash can. 6 items. No problem. You? Not a problem. Boom. Okay, how many burgers do I have to make? 2 burgers? That's a lot. Alright, I got, I don't know how many I got. I think I have... Bro, what is this game, bro? What is it? Huh? What is this game? Oh, no. Bro. Alright. Boom, boom, boom. Ooh, burger. That was my burger! That is my burger! You're not even eating it. You're literally kissing it. You're kissing the burger. Ooh, that's $26. Nice. Buy potato fryer. Machine tab of computer. Cheese? Wait. I need buns. I need bun. Okay, let me stop trolling around and just make food. Okay, more. Alright. Reduce customer spawn time. Wow, welcome to Pleasant. You get to have fun and poop in your pants. I don't know what that means. Nice. More? Okay, fatty, fat boy. Okay. Bread poster full. Nah. Wait, how much did the potato fryer cost? I forgot. Where was it? Potato fryer. Okay, it costed $80. Yeah, I'm halfway there, kinda. Oh. I need a lot of bun. Holy. Who said bun? Who said bun? Okay. I guess I have no more cash either. Who's next? Hoodie man. Nice. Total 0.001. Alright. Why is my hand itchy? Hold on. Wait, what? Farming camp. Boom. Bada boom, blah blah blah. I need bread. How much? $3. But $5 is expensive. Hurry up! I don't got. Did you spawn out of nowhere? Oh, it's totally not gonna crash into me. I was right the whole time. What is that thing glowing green? Oh, it's money. Your package has been delivered. Thank you. Okay. Bun. More bun. Alright. Yeah, I have full bun. 30 out of 30. Alright. Ready, and ready. I got more XP. Take order. Okay. 25. Boom. Max. The tick box is full. 6, 7. 611. 611. 611. Wow, very cool. Very.
Whoa!
Bro. Any more? Oh, it's closed. Oh, that does not sound good. Just kidding, it does. I'm tired of this job. Okay, next. Ooh, card. Card is easier. Boom, 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 boom. Alright. Bro, I have enough. 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 Potato fryer. Where are you at? Can't be hiding. Yep, potato fryer. Where are you at? Where are you at? Come here. Come here. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. I have 7 cents. That is... I'm almost bankrupt. I'm almost homeless. What do I do? Maybe sell food. Maybe. Maybe just sell food. Alright, where's my potato fryer? Why is it so... Oh. It's not tiny at all. Bro. Put it over here. Yeah. Buy fries at ingredient of tabbing. Well, I have bad news. I have bad news. I am bankrupt. I'm literally bankrupt. I got robbed by you. Okay. What did I say? Okay. Like, huh? That's weird. Ready, and then we need 2 Coke. Okay, I finally have $1. Max? 2 bucks. Do I have 50? Okay. Ready. Alright, now I'm finally not bankrupt anymore. Bro. I forgot to put the trash in the trash. Duh. You wanna be hired? You stinky little boy. Ooh, big lips. Okay, closed. Unopened. Okay, anyway, I guess. Total sales. Tax guaranteed. Okay.
Island construction,
Bro.
which is difficult to...
Bro. Excuse me. Paper cups. No problem. Wait. Box is empty. Wait. I need more cheese and more tomatoes and more bun. I'll be right back. Okay. 2 bun. We're actually... Yeah, 2 bun. 2 cheese. 2 tomato. And then... 1 tomato. And then 1 burger. And that are making me forget. Okay. 2, 2, 1, 1. 2, 2, 1, 1. Two two one one 2 2 2 2 2 1 1. So 2 2 2 2 1 1. 1, 1. Okay. Blah. 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 Wait. Hey, stop. Hey, don't move. Hey, stop. Holy. Oh, wait. Is that cheese? Yeah, I did buy. Wait. Okay, never mind. $29. Okay, I guess I'll just put no space for ingredients. Wow. Bro, I swear I bought 2 buns. Or maybe I'm just stupid. Yeah. Cheese. Cheeseburger. Cheeseburger. Wait. When can't you know? Well, good morning. Sun is shining. Open. Okay, old lady. How much burgers do you want? Probably 0. Because you look very skinny. Fat guy. You probably want 9 quadrillion burgers. Okay? 50. Boom, 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 boom. Nice. Total. Bro is fat. Like, very fat. Hold on. 5. Boom. 11. Who's next? Bro's fat. 5, 9, 4. That's a new number. 3.
This is
I am so tired of these ads, bro. Okay. Bro, how many customers am I getting, bro? Bro, I'm closing. I can't. Of course, duh. Counter 2. Wait, I can get 2 counters? 2 counters? Wait, that's gonna be annoying. That's gonna be annoying, bro. Okay. Next. You know what? And boom. Okay, yep. Bro, I am so tired of these ads. Why? Who created ads? Who invented them? They're absolutely dookie, bro. There are dookie, dukes, book. We need a lot of fries, literally. We need like 9. 5 is a lot though. But anyways, that's just about it. Ah! Wow, very cool. Wow, very cool. Now what? Where are my fries, bro? Hurry up. Did you just 5 items? Dang. Damn. That's not, I just realized that's not even a box. Alright. Oh. No space. Wow, very cool. Okay, we're just gonna take him. Whew. Alright. Fries. Holy fries. There are 9 billion fries. The storage is full. I'm broke, okay? Okay? Oliver, who's Oliver? Who's Oliver? I'm gonna kill Oliver. 9 burgers! What? That's crazy. Okay. You only need like 3 Coke. No, never mind. Maybe not. Oh. Okay, we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 of them. 6 of them. Right. We need a lot. Lot. Level up. Okay. Wait. Just in case. Whew. Oh my gosh, it's so loud. Okay. Oh. Okay, that's crazy. Bro. Oh. Bro, I need more items. I actually need more items. Okay, well, I guess this is gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye. The sun is gone.